This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Now, one more thing, you have to have a worksheet. That's where you have your date of birth, the 4-digit of SSN, that's yours, and now we share with us, not everybody else. Date of birth, your SSN, your current location, your first name, your last name. These are the information, your degree, everything has to be there so that you can provide those information. Good. Sometimes you provide those information through the email, and sometimes you do when you talk. Good. And many times you actually the checklist, means how many years of experience you have for the Java, how many experience of the manual testing, how many experience you have a API testing, how many years experience you have a backend testing. So you have to finish them. If you do not have experience, 1 year, you just write the 1 year. You don't need to be expert on anything or everything. Whatever you know, you're good, because everything ends up how you speak, how you deliver. Good. So those are the important, you need to separate from your own Excel and only share with us. You don't need to share with everybody else. And as for the offer letter negotiation, you always say, I'm flexible. I want to focus on the interview, but tell me your range. You do not tell anybody how much you make. That's nobody's business to know this. You give your range. You can give the range 40 to 45, 45 to the 50. It all depends. But if you ask me, all of the best practice, take less money in the beginning. So then they will prove the less expectation. If you ask a lot of money, they will be eventually, because a lot of money we pay someone, we actually, they're senior. That's the reason, because that's how the payment grade works. So literally they will let you go. So it's good to, at least for the sake of, let's say, while I'm going to make standard money, after 6 months, I will go wherever I need to go. Good. So it is less stress for you, less stress for them, because there is not the hiring manager stress, because the actual hiring, the company hiring HR team, they set up which payment grade goes for this member, what we are expecting from him. If he's not performing, we'll let him go. Good. So again, the 80,000, 90,000, 100,000 is a very good start. At least invest 6 months, and then you can start looking for the big paying job. That's my approach. But if you want to say, I can tackle, I have the capability, go for it. I have no problem. As for the experience, we really have no problem. What do you say? If you provide the 100 years experience, I have no problem. If you are not able to say, you will see your result. So whatever you put it, you have to prove me. Prove me means prove the manager. Simple as this. And of course, when you speak the way you learn, the manager knows, yeah, that's actually the experience is. If the dot is connected, what is you are placing in the right place, in the right format, exactly we gave you those type of knowledge and experience. Now, if you are not able to deliver it, of course, it will not be like the amount of experience you are telling to them. So everything, how you learn it, how you deliver them. So, and delivery will not be happening one day. It takes a little bit of time. So everybody combinedly open on the Google Drive your interview, and then actually listen to each other, and then provide the constructive feedback to the point. Do not bash around somebody else. Okay, constructive feedback. Okay, my understanding is you are saying this, probably you did not understand what he said. So you have to listen. So it helps. When you listen his interview, it helps you. When she listens your interview, it helps her, because now you're getting the free interview now. Good. You got only 2 interviews, and Aisha got 5 interviews. Listening 5, you got 7 interviews already. You see this? So the teamwork is excellent. And that discuss as a team. We want to discuss, bring some point. This is the points I did not fully understand. That's how I answer. And it will be excellent, excellent. Okay. And sometimes we will be in the interview. when we are in the interview, we use the chat GPT. Like some of the question, we just answer the chat GPT, you get them answer. That's fine. Hey, nothing end of the world. You can say, hey, yes, I use the chat GPT for some of my problem solving. It's so open. Why? Because I used to do the Googling, Stack Overflow, too much junk. You said it's too difficult. Chat GPT helps me to the point. You cannot use the chat GPT if you do not know how to write the test cases. Chat GPT will tell you what is the test cases. It will never tell you write the test case on this. That's not how the chat GPT does. So some of the core skills, this is your skills. If you don't know how to create a project, chat GPT will never help you. Like everything like from the scratch. You'll be fired from your job at the same time. So once you know the basic, your core, some of the work, then the chat GPT will be helpful for you. Chat GPT is not like it will tell you everything and keep your job. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. And all the professional, experienced people, they all know. Only the rubbish people, they think the chat GPT will cause my job. That's not how it is. It will improve your job. It will make you productive. It will help you to be adaptable to new areas, right? But it is not going to it will not take away your job. Good?